Hey guys, welcome back to our video. My name is Harsh Surendran and today we are going to review OnePlus Buds 3. I got this from Amazon and it is right now on sale for 3,999 rupees. It is pretty decent earphone with lot of specification and a decent price of rupees 4,000. So these earphones have special features like transparency mode, noise cancellation and stuff like that, which is very efficient. Let's unbox this and see what's the in-hand feel of these earphones. Come on. So the box quality is very good, packaging is very good. Let's unbox it. So this is the case guys, and it has a very good premium look to it, and also the feel while opening and closing the box is very nice. The feel is very good. Also when we look at the earbuds, the quality is very good and it has a very premium look, and the feel when we put it in our ears is also very good and it feels very premium. The look is very good and it is stable in our ears. It is very comfortable also. So it instantly connects to our phone while we open the box. So it has a very good connectivity, and also it has a special app. So this app tells us about the charge, and also we can have many modes. We can change into many modes like noise cancellation, transparency mode, and also there are many other features wherein we can adjust the sound quality, and we can also customize everything from this app. So let's check the sound quality. The sound quality is very premium and the bass is good. So I think it's very good phone with the noise cancellation. I can't hear anything while the music is playing, and it is very good to be in there. So we can get completely involved in this audio, and that is a very good feel. If you guys are looking for a premium earphone in this price range, this is a very good option for you to choose. The link for this product is in the description. If you want, you can check it out and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching guys. Signing off.